Good evening. My name is Melissa Zarati, and this is my startup pitch presentation for SPE 330. During these next few minutes, I will be discussing the rising startup mobile luggage storage company, Luggage Hero. This is an important company because many people decide when traveling that they want to explore the city that they are in without the burden of carrying their luggage. The beauty of Luggage Hero is that you have the freedom to leave your luggage in a locker for a short period of time, and never more than $8 a day per bag, while you explore the beautiful city that you're in. I will give a brief history of the company, our mission, and our values. Janik Lozink and Kristen Logard are the co-founders of Luggage Hero and founded the company in 2016. Lozink is the Chief Executive Officer, while Logard is the Chief Technology Officer. Lozink had the idea in 2016 after he became irritated, like many travelers, when they drag their luggage with them whenever they travel. Logard reached out to Lozink after he published an article about his idea in early traction in Copenhagen. History of Luggage Hero. Luggage Hero was founded in 2016 and has since then expanded. In 2019, it has been reported that Luggage Hero has raised an estimated of $2.25 million in the funding for their company. The co-founders wanted the convenience of leaving their luggage for a short period of time while traveling, but be assured their luggage will be safe for their customers, and they are able to guarantee the safety of their customers' luggage with their company mission and their values. Here is the Luggage Hero mission and values. We understand your safety and concern about your luggage. So we have many tactics set in place in order to guarantee your safety. First, we have the security seal. Then we have the luggage insurance. And lastly, we have the certified shops. So while understanding your concern about your luggage, that we also understand that traveling can be hard, and you're in an unknown and new environment, and you want to be free and wander the city that you're in, and travel and live and experience many things. So here at Luggage Hero, we guarantee the safety of your luggage with our company values. So our security seal. Once you find a location to drop off your luggage, at one of our certified shops, you will receive a seal that is provided that has a unique ID number. With this seal, you will lock the string through your luggage zippers and you will lock it in place. Next, before you leave to explore the city that you're in, you will take a picture of the seal when you are done. With your ID number, it has to be visible. Then you are all set and ready to explore. The next value that we have in place in order to guarantee your safety is our luggage insurance. If your luggage is tampered with, your luggage is safe with us. We collaborate with the First Marine Insurance Ltd, where we insure each piece of luggage that is stored with us with varying amounts depending on where you're located, ranging from $250 to $3,000, $2,500 to $3,000 in every currency. So when you're traveling, you have the guarantee. So let's say if you're in London, you're guaranteed to 2,500 to 3,000 pounds if your luggage is tampered with. And if you're in Rome, same goes for euros. So we have the certified shops. We have over 1,100 locations in over 40 cities worldwide. So we're able to guarantee the following. All items will be stored safely away from the public eye. All items will be sealed with our security seal that you must place in order to guarantee that your luggage will not be tampered with. And payments will only be made through our app. We can guarantee that no one will take your luggage because our employees that are our partners that work at these certified shops will not take cash for your luggage, and this is for our customers' safety. You will only accept payment through the website, so this guarantees that this luggage is indeed yours when you're collecting it. And we're excited to announce that we will be going to 17 new cities coming in 2021 where Luggage Hero will be available. Now that we know a brief history of the company mission and our values, I will be discussing the convenience that this company brings to travelers. So with more than 1,100 locations in 40 cities worldwide, we are located in popular cities with a high number of travelers such as New York, London, Rome, etc. And it is so convenient that anyone can use it around the world with just 3 easy steps. First, booking online, and you receive directions onto where our certified shop is. Second, you drop off the luggage, take a picture of your security seal in place with the ID number out, and third, you enjoy the time without the weight of your luggage. This is convenient for every traveler, and it is a cheap and easy way to travel without the burden of the luggage. The affordability. Below is a screenshot located on the website luggagehero.com, and here is the price calculator. So, when you do, it's $1 an hour plus a $2 handling fee, and it's one time. You go over here where it's located blue, where it says New York City. You click on the tab, and you choose what city you're in. Right now, ours is set to New York City because that is location closest available to me. Our website also offers location-enabled services. And it is never more than $8 a day, with a handling fee included. So when you're ready to secure your bag, you just put how many bags are in, and for how many hours, and in which city. And it does an estimated price for you. Now that we have a solid understanding of the company and its morals, and its convenience, I will discuss Luggage Hero in the media. Luggage Hero has been featured and credited by many well-known media outlets, such as the New York Times in 2018, the Washington Post in 2017, and CNBC. All credited news outlets supporting our company and explain how convenient it is traveling with Luggage Hero. Luggage Hero, this is a quote from the New York Times by Stephanie Rosenblum. Luggage Hero, which offers booking with credit card, thus eliminating the need of users to have local currency on hand. Which is true. Sometimes you do have a layover in the city and you would like to explore it, and you don't have the currency and to exchange the currency fee, so our company gets rid of the need to have local currency on hand because you're able to pay with whatever cards you have, credit cards, debit cards, or other forms of payment that you have. With over 50,000 travelers reviewed Luggage Hero with an average of 4.7 stars out of 5, we are credible and we safely guarantee an option for storing your belongings while traveling. We partnered with Airgreets, Booking.com, and Guesty, and we have many other partners, and we only have our customers' best interests first. So when you are deciding, when you're traveling and unsure what to do with your luggage, and when you're visiting places for a day, and you have a layover, and you're unsure what to do, and you don't want to sit and wait at the airport for your next flight, go out and enjoy the city, and you have our safety guarantee that your luggage will be safe and it will be cheap in order to guarantee its safety. With this in mind, I'd like to leave with a few closing words. Traveling can be hard when you have your luggage following you around when you're exploring. That's why Luggage Hero is the savior for you. Let us be your hero. With affordable prices and easy accessibility, Luggage Hero makes your adventures while traveling pain-free. With over 250,000 users worldwide, We are guaranteed to keep your luggage safe and free from tampering whenever we can and wherever we can. But with your help, we can expand our company and make traveling easier all around the world. Thank you.